Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to be unboxing the Jeffree Star Supreme Valentine's Day Mystery Box. Alright, let's jump into the box. So the first item we have here, it looks like it's a bag. It has the same print as the hoodie and the t-shirt that came in the deluxe box. Next thing, looks like we have another bag. It looks like an exclusive version of the side bags that he put out. Like a little side bag, and then there's a strap on it and it just says Jeffree. Let's open the pockets and see what it looks like inside. Like a nice little tiny pocket there. And the bigger pocket with like a little pouch in it to put some smaller stuff in. What do we have next? We have a little blue package. Oh, okay. We've got the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro Palette. I don't own this one. So open it up and see what it looks like. Make sure nothing's broken in it. This is what the outside looks like. Ooh, thankfully nothing broke. And there's the inside of the palette. And we'll do swatches of this in a minute. Here's some tissue paper. And I've already seen sneak peeks, so I know what this is. In case you haven't watched any other unboxings, it's the Blue Blood palette. Unfortunately, I literally bought this like 3 weeks ago. So we're gonna do a giveaway with this one. I'll put more details about that at the end of the video, but I'm just gonna quickly open this on video to make sure nothing broke in it, because I wouldn't want to give away a palette that was broken. No, it looks like everything's fine. I love this palette. Is that? Ooh, and we have the exclusive pop socket. I currently don't have a pop socket on my phone, so I'm super excited about this one. What's next? Ooh, okay, I've never tried his lip scrubs, but I've always wanted to. So we have the Velour Lip Scrub in Root Beer. Let's open it up. This is what it looks like. It's actually pretty big compared to some of the other ones I've seen. See what it smells like. Oh, it smells so good. I can't wait to try it. What's next? Ooh, we have one of his glosses in the shade Ice Cold. I haven't tried his glosses yet. I wanted to get the one that came with the Shane Dawson collection, but that was sold out like immediately. My gosh, look at this packaging. That's insane. That is like the bougiest packaging ever. Again, we'll swatch this in a minute. It's kind of like holographic. It's got this like blue and pink glitters in it. Ooh, and here's the exclusive gloss in the shade Softcore Sparkle. I've seen this one online, but I want to see what it looks like in person. Ooh, that's so pretty. Again, super nice packaging. Purple color. I'm not really in, like, I don't really wear purples, but it could be a nice topper. And what else? Ooh, it looks like we have 3 Velour liquid lips. I don't really own any of these. So So we have doll parts. He released this with the holiday collection. I've noticed kind of everybody's gotten one of them from that collection. So that's what it looks like. Can't wait to swatch this. I think this is really wearable, which is good because I'm still playing around with colors on my lips. Next we have restraints. Oh, this looks like almost like a gunmetal, like metallic shade. More as like an eyeshadow or an eyeliner. I don't really know that gray would look good on my lips. And next we have, where'd it go? Oh, it's right here. Romeo. So this is like a more, it's kind of like more hot pink. It's cute. I don't know how much use I'll get out of it on my lips, but maybe another eyeshadow. Last but not least, looks like we have a mirror. I think it's one of the Jeffree Star approved mirrors in baby pink chrome. The struggle is real when you're opening this package. Oh my gosh, that's so pretty. The only other mirror that I have of his is from the Shane Dawson collection. I have the pink pig mirror, but there this is. So pretty. Can't wait. I have like my pig mirror like hung up on a little hook, so I can't wait to put this one next to it. It's very sparkly, like shiny. I love it. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. So that's the box, and we'll look up the prices for you guys and let you know what you save on it, and then we'll do some swatches. And here are the swatches from the Brain Freeze palette. First we are swatching Cold Shoulder. Now we're swatching Gold Breaker. And Cocky. And as you can also see, I'm wiping my finger off in between swatches just to make sure I have a clean swatch. Here's Statuesque. And Frozen Fruit. And last but not least, Freeze Tag. And here we're swatching the gloss in Ice Cold. And here we're swatching an exclusive from this box. It's the gloss in Softcore Sparkle. Now we're swatching the Velour Liquid Lip in Doll Parts. And here is the Velour Liquid Lip in Restraints. And here's the Velour Liquid Lip in Romeo. Here we have the Blue Blood palette, and it retails for $52 US. Next we have the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette, and it retails for $40 US. And here are the liquid lips in Doll Parts, Restraints, and Romeo, and these retail for $18 each. Next we have the glosses in Ice Cold and Softcore Sparkle, and these retail for $18 each. Next we have the Velour Lip Scrub in Root Beer, and it retails for $12. here's the Jeffree Star approved mirror in baby pink chrome, and it retails for $30. And now we have the exclusive Jeffree Star pop socket, and it retails for roughly $15. Next we have the exclusive side bag, and it retails for $35. So next we have the tote bag, which retails for about $10. So for this box, in total it was $284 US, which is $377 Canadian. So let's talk about the giveaway and how it's gonna work. So in order to get the Blue Blood palette, I'm gonna give it away when I get to 100 subscribers. So you have to be subscribed to my YouTube channel and follow me on Instagram. We're gonna link it in the description and probably put it on the screen over here. But you can only enter the giveaway if you are from the US or Canada. Just because I do live in Canada, so shipping costs a lot. And I just bought this box of stuff. It was pretty expensive. But yeah, so make sure to subscribe and follow me on Instagram if you would like to win the Blue Blood palette. Anyways, thank you for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I loved unboxing the box. It was tons of fun, and I can't wait to do another one.